Good afternoon to one and all present here. I am Jagdishwari from the Department of Civil Engineering. I'm going to take a topic about organizations chart in the subject of GE 3751 Principles of Management from Unit 3. So what is organization? We are already seen about organization. Now we are going to see about organization chart. In this organization chart, it includes first one is board of directors, then second one is production, marketing, finance and personal managers, branch managers, salesmen. So these are the views which are undergo related to about the organization chart. So in this chart we have to divide it into 5 types. So first one is board of directors. It is subdivided into chief executive officer. In chief executive officer, in that we have divided into 5 stages. First one is chief operating officer, then chief nursing officer and chief medical officer and chief financial officer and chief information officer. So in organization structure, what is an organization structure means? It is a number of framework within which an organization arrange its line of authorities, then communication, and we have to allocate rights and duties. So in that organization structure, it mainly how to design organization structure means, so the managers which establish the working relationship and among the employees to achieve any goals. So it may be formal system of any task and reporting relationship. It shows how workers use the organization and utilize, and how they are designing in organization. So first important one is managers. It makes he make specific choice to result in a given organization structure. For successful organization design, it depends only on the organization unique situation. The mainly factors affecting organization design is, first one is environment, and second one is strategy, and third one is technology and human resources. These are the important factors which affects organization design. And thank you on and all present here. Then we are see next